Okay, guys, I'm here for an interview. Are you having a good time?
Yeah, I'm having a really good time.
How about you, Gavin?
Yeah, it's fun.
You got hit, huh? Your elbow, your shirt.
Yeah.
I got hit 2 times.
My shoes.
You did?
I think Gavin got hit more than me.
Oh, yeah.
I got hit
I got hit at least 5 times.
Really? You can feel it? Does it sting a little, or?
Oh yeah, it burned.
Look,
It burned for a couple of minutes. When it burned.
Really? You think you can, like, it's something you get used
Look
to?
at the drain tub. Dad, look at their
I
flag.
mean, if you look at my
Is there
leg,
another round?
I think
my
so.
leg, you can see.
Oh, we're going down.
Look at
Bad.
the,
You can see that? Let's see.
You can see I went
Yeah,
to
I saw
the
that.
training area.
look at the drain tub.
You got what?
Y'all loaded up?
I have about that much left to see.
Yeah, I'm good. See?
I'm gonna reload kinda.
Ready to go again?
Ready to go again? I think 10 more minutes, huh? And then y'all. All right.
He still has a lot of
I'm
dick
gonna-
in there. He still has a lot of bullets in there.
It hit hard.
Huh?
Like, really hard.
We do.
It burns.
I guess that's just part of the game, huh?
Some people have their own things, so they might not hit as hard with these.
Oh, okay.
Or
Yeah,
Their own
he actually
their own
has a
paintball
lot of
guns?
bullets in there. He actually has a lot of paintballs in there. Look at his shirt. He got.
I wanna go to the shooting range.
Well, you don't want to waste
Look
your.
at his shirt. He got hit by the shirt.
Gavin, you want to try this one?
What?
You want to try this one?
You know, the first game I got hit right here in my hand.
Oh wow.
The first time I got hit, it was on my leg.
I was walking and I kept stepping on paintballs and they were
Splattering
not
on you.
splattering on me.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
got
on
some
you
too.
too.
Yeah, remember that?
Oh,
We were
me
walking
too.
over there looking for you guys.
Oh, me too.
On you too.
See, my gun is covered in paint.
I want to go do that.
You saw something about practicing at home?
I saw that.
No, I think it was
I
all kidding.
was watching something about paintballing. I was watching something about.
It was fun. It hurts.
I was watching something on like
Usually
television at home,
Mhm.
and they're at paintball. They were paintballing right, like we're doing right now, and they got shot by one.
What?
You see the thing?
There's a rule where you can't take off your mask the whole game, or else you
Yeah.
you sit out for the rest of the day.
Exactly high.
Makes sense. You gotta take that seriously.
Exactly high. Everybody
Yeah.
behind those, and you can take your mat
You
off.
go back to your base
and
and,
if-
you touch it and you're back in the game.
And if you want to put your mat back on,
That's pretty much what happens.
and you can actually get out, you can actually run in the
I didn't have
in the
Hi.
Gun doesn't
run behind
kinda
something. You can't get shot
but it's that
shot
When you're
through,
behind it, huh?
and then you can take your mat off again.
Oh goodness. Oh no, you really want to take your mask off though?
Yeah, you can actually do that.
I think you gotta wait to take your mask off though.
You're heavy though.
What if somebody shoots you while you got your mask on?
Yeah, some people can actually run
As
in
you can see,
the
we're part of the red
in
team.
the.
We're part of the red team.
Red
So
team.
it's red
All
team.
right.
And how you knew that you had to shoot somebody out of the blue team is they
And
they
you
just have
cannot
they have
only
a blue
Band.
You can
band
actually
on their-
run
on
out
their
and you
left arm
can
instead of right.
shoot people
Ah.
in their faces.
So pretty much if they just have a blue band on,
Mhm.
you shoot them.
Is that done? Did that help not done building?
Jaden, it's bad that you have a red hoodie on because everybody instantly knows he's part of red and they just shoot.
I know.
Yeah, it's kind of a disadvantage with that red jacket, huh? But you don't want to take it off.
I was just shooting with
Huh?
bullets.
But now it's a
Oh goodness.
Where I'm at, I just
What's the inside of it look like? What's the inside of your jacket? What color is it? It's red also? Yeah? Okay, just wondering. So you turn it inside
fun,
out.
but painful.
Look, Dad,
my hood on it.
Dad, look. It looked like he got paintball. It
The pain
looked like
eventually went away, but it
got
got shot
hit
at that
on
moment
that.
when you
The
get shot.
paintball.
Oh yeah, it's painful.
I would imagine
One
the adrenaline
died
pumping
up.
though
Look
Kinda
like
helps out,
one
maybe.
guy
Because
shoot.
the sun is right in my face.
Dad.
Yeah,
It looked like Jaden got hit by a paintball, but it didn't hit him. It looked like a paintball that hit on you. It looked like
it hit
a
the gun, huh?
paintball. It looked like a paintball that planted on that gun.
It just hit the gun,
So
huh?
what is this? What is this tank?
It's
It's a CO2?
What? What is it?
What, that tank? A tank right there?
No. You get it refilled or something.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
That's what propels the
Shots.
paintball. Mm-hmm. That's where the pressure comes from.
It'd be awesome to have one of these. They're cool.
Have one
Yeah,
of these
serious
at
stuff,
our
huh?
house.
Yeah.
Okay, I got some closet.